Welcome to this video on the hidden secret of chewing cloves, how cloves can cure 13 ailments. Today, I'm going to share some amazing benefits of this small yet powerful spice that you probably have in your kitchen right now. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their incredible health properties. Stick around till the end, because you'll learn how this humble spice can improve your life in ways you never imagined. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to Indonesia. They're packed with essential nutrients like vitamins C, K, manganese, and antioxidants. But what's even more fascinating is the chemical compound called eugenol, which gives cloves their distinctive aroma and medicinal properties. When you chew cloves, this compound is released and can have immediate effects on your health. Before we continue, please click the like and subscribe button for more educative and informative content that will help improve your well-being naturally. Now let's delve into the 13 benefits of cloves. 1. Respiratory relief. Are you suffering from a cough or sore throat? Chewing cloves can help soothe your respiratory system. They have expectorant properties, meaning they can help clear mucus and reduce coughing. Next time you have a sore throat, try chewing a clove instead of reaching for a lozenge. It can naturally ease the irritation. 2. Regulates blood sugar. For those dealing with diabetes or blood sugar issues, cloves can be beneficial. Studies suggest that chewing cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Supplementing clove extract with a balanced diet may help keep your blood sugar levels in check, particularly if you're pre-diabetic or otherwise healthy. Clove extract acts like the hormone insulin, which controls blood sugar levels. 1 to 3 grams of clove per day for a month can help people with type 2 diabetes manage their blood glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. This makes cloves a great natural option for people managing diabetes. 3. Promotes bone health. Cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral that's essential for maintaining bone health. Regularly consuming cloves can improve bone density and reduce the risk of bone diseases such as osteoporosis. Clove is packed with manganese, a mineral that works with calcium to build your bones. 1 teaspoon of clove contains over 50% of the daily recommended manganese value, suggested by the dietary reference intakes. Evidence suggests that foods rich in manganese can be effective in preventing osteoporosis. If you want to strengthen your bones naturally, consider chewing on cloves daily. 4. Oral health. Cloves are probably best known for their ability to improve oral health. Chewing on cloves can reduce gum inflammation, prevent bad breath, and relieve toothaches. The eugenol in cloves has antiseptic properties, which can help fight bacteria in your mouth. You'll likely see eugenol as an ingredient in herbal toothpaste and mouthwashes, as studies have shown that clove extract can kill bacteria that cause gum disease. If you ever feel a toothache coming on, just chew a clove and hold it in place near the sore tooth for a few minutes. 5. Improves digestion. Cloves can also help with digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and even nausea. Chewing cloves stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which helps food move smoothly through your system. If you suffer from indigestion or bloating after meals, chew on a clove or two for quick relief. 6. Supports liver health. Cirrhosis is characterized by the presence of scarred and damaged liver cells, potentially leading to liver failure. However, studies on the antioxidant-rich eugenol suggest that cloves help protect your liver from the free radicals that damage cells and can lead to cirrhosis, thus potentially reducing your chances of liver cancer. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, and cloves can give it a helping hand. Eugenol in cloves has been shown to promote liver health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. If you want to keep your liver in top shape, cloves are a natural ally. 7th. Pain relief. Cloves have natural analgesic or pain-relieving properties. Whether you have a headache, muscle pain, or even menstrual cramps, chewing cloves can help reduce pain. The eugenol acts as a mild anesthetic, dulling pain sensations naturally. Using clove oil in a lotion or brewing them in your tea may help you relieve muscle and joint pain associated with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Clove powder mixed with milk may be effective in treating headaches too. 8. Improves skin health and slow aging. Did you know that chewing cloves can even improve your skin? Cloves have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help combat acne and other skin issues. They can also help reduce blemishes and promote clear, glowing skin from within. 9. Helps with nausea and vomiting. Are you feeling nauseous? Chewing cloves can help. Their strong aroma and taste have been found to ease nausea and reduce vomiting, making them useful for people who experience morning sickness or motion sickness. Just chew one clove when you start feeling queasy. 10. Boosts immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in boosting your immune system. Antioxidants fight free radicals in the body, which are linked to cell damage and aging. By chewing on cloves, you can increase your antioxidant intake and strengthen your body's natural defenses against infections. 11th. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Thanks to the eugenol compound, cloves have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Regularly chewing cloves can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic conditions such as arthritis. If you experience joint pain or muscle soreness, cloves might offer some relief. 12. Reduces stress and anxiety. Cloves can help with stress and anxiety. Their calming properties help reduce tension in the body and promote relaxation. Chewing cloves releases soothing aromas and compounds that can ease your mind. If you feel anxious or stressed, pop a clove in your mouth and take a few deep breaths. 13th. Treat urinary tract infections. Eugenol is not the only clove extract that promotes various areas of your health. A study reported by Tropical Life Sciences Research finds that antimicrobial elements in clove ethanolic extract can effectively treat urinary tract infections, which can include infections of your bladder, urethra, or kidneys. And there you have the 13 incredible ailments that cloves can help cure. From boosting your immune system to improving oral health and even reducing stress, this tiny spice packs a powerful punch. Whether you chew them regularly or use them as a remedy for specific issues, cloves are an easy and natural way to improve your health. Although cloves alone have many potential health benefits due to their vast amount of minerals, vitamins, and disease-fighting nutrients, cloves may work best to improve your health when combined with a balanced diet. Add a pinch of ground cloves to your chai latte or green tea. Cloves can be used to flavor your meats or even desserts like gingerbread cookies or pumpkin pie. Feel free to experiment with this aromatic spice to bring beneficial health elements to your life. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing health tips. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comments section your experiences with cloves so that others can also benefit.